You may have found that in Google Gemini, it can be difficult to export content in Google Slides. So to make that work better, when you go to Gemini, use the Tools menu and make sure you pick Canvas. If you pick Canvas, you can get Gemini to export in Slides. So I'm going to give it a simple prompt, asking it to show us how to do that, and then I'm going to submit that. If you give it a more complicated prompt, it will take a little longer. Really anything that you want a presentation made in Google Slides, Gemini can figure out how to do it. So I'm going to let that think for a little bit. You can see what it's working on here. And here they come. So you could go through the preview of the slides and edit them here as it's working. If you're going to make edits, it's up to you which works better. If you want Gemini to make the edits, you could do it here. If you just want to export it to slides and make your edits there, it's your choice. I did found that it gave me more slides than what I needed, which is fine. I'll just get rid of the ones I don't want. So after that generates, and again, if you give it something more complicated, it'll take longer. I can now hit export to slides, and it will do a little bit of work and eventually open in Google Slides. So that is how you can use Gemini using the Canvas tool to make a Google Slides presentation on pretty much anything that you would like. There it is. So just in case you doubted me, here they come. That's it. Give it a try and see what you can come up with.